Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new arrival to the dealership, stock number 30958T. It's a 2022 Ram ProMaster City wagon with an ATS rear entry mobility ramp, bright white in color. Got 17-inch wheels, double sliding door, so you got your sliding door on the passenger side as well. Take a quick peek in here. Bench seat for 3. Also over in here you got your rear air vent in here, cup holder down low. Around back we'll take a look at the mobility portion of this. Got 2 pistol grips here, unlock it. Over on the other side. Spring assisted, so it's nice and easy. You can put a wheelchair up in there or a hover around scooter. You got your Q-strength tie downs in here to lock it in place. Seat belt if needed. Take a look in here. Power windows. You got manual cloth seats. Storage area up front. Touchscreen Uconnect radio. Backup camera. Sirius XM satellite radio. Have your USB ports down here. Charge your devices. Cruise control. Bluetooth for your hands-free phone calls. Also control your radio. You also up top have a little bit of overhead storage up here. Overhead lighting, map lights. Again, we're looking at stock number 30958T. It's a 2022 Ram ProMaster City ATS mobility van. I'm Lucas Purden. Come see me at Paul Sherry Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, or you can give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks for watching.